Judge Vonda B. Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1010, Laura versus Tower.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Ooh. You all may be seated. Let's see. Ms. Laura,
Yes, ma'am.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I'm trying to get my baby back.
Okay.
I have two babies,
Okay.
and I just had another baby with my boy. He's not my boyfriend anymore, but he hit my first baby, so Houston got to take him, and I want him back because I'm not with that boyfriend anymore.
So Houston took the baby or you lost the baby?
Either way, Houston has the baby, and I want it back.
No, it's not either way. It's you lost the baby. So did somebody intervene and take the baby away from you?
Yeah.
All right, court is officially in session, and we jump right into the drama. Laura's here fighting to get her baby back. But hold up. She admits her ex-boyfriend, the baby's father, hit her first child, so the baby was taken away. Now, she wants custody back even though she's no longer with the dad. The judge isn't buying the vague either way excuse. It's clear she lost custody. This sets up a serious battle. What would you do if you were in her shoes? Fight. For custody or back off? Drop your thoughts below.
Yes, ma'am. They took the baby and gave him to Houston.
Okay.
And I want him back.
Okay. And you have a new baby with your ex-boyfriend?
Not ex-boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
So you guys are no longer together?
Correct, ma'am.
How old is this new baby?
How old's the new baby?
Yes.
Like 8 months.
And you're done with him after 8 months?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I was done with him like 10 months ago. The baby's 8 months.
Oh, okay. So before the baby was born?
Yes, ma'am.
Did he come to the birth of the child?
No, I didn't want him around.
Oh, okay. All right. So you now want to get custody back from him?
Yes, ma'am. From
Okay.
Houston.
Who does the baby live with?
Me.
The baby? No, my baby lives with me.
No, not your child. How many children do you all have between you?
Just one.
Just one. And the child lives with him,
Yes, ma'am.
and you want the baby back.
Yes, ma'am.
How long has the baby lived with you?
The baby? It's been
Yeah.
living the whole time.
Laura's story gets more complicated. She just had a new baby with the ex, but they broke up before the baby was even born. The judge is trying to make sense of this timeline, but Laura insists she's done with him and wants custody and child support. Here's where the emotional weight hits. She's basically admitting her ex is abusive but still wants her baby back. It's messy. What do you think? Should a parent be forced to give up custody if there's abuse involved? Let me know.
Oh, okay. And how old is this child?
5?
5. Oh. And you expect to get child support?
Yes, ma'am.
And the child has been living with him for almost, it's a boy or girl?
Boy.
His whole life?
Yes, ma'am. Well, when I get my baby back, I want child support, yeah. He makes way more money than I do. I want my baby back and I want child support.
I'm sorry, you have to excuse me because nothing you're saying is making sense right now. You came to court to ask me to give a child back to you that was taken from you, that's 5 years old, that's pretty much lived with this man the entire time that he has been taken care of.
They took my baby away because my ex-boyfriend is an abuser and I'm not with him anymore, so I want my baby back.
Right, but the child hasn't been living with you. The child has been living with him.
No, the judge isn't holding back. She tells Laura, straight up, that custody can't just be taken back because the child's been with the dad for 5 years. The court sees this as you lost the baby due to negligence, not as a kidnapping or unfair removal. The judge demands logic. If Laura wants custody, she has to show she can actually care for the kid. And child support? That's a whole other drama brewing. What's your take on this? Should courts always favor the stable caregiver even if it's not the biological mom?
Yeah, because of my ex, and I'm not with my ex anymore.
Yeah, so no, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. He would literally have to have given you the child back. And then you come in here, after you've been having the child for some time, then you come in here and say, Judge, I want this to be changed. I've been having the child this entire time. I want him to pay child support. That would be a little bit more reasonable. But what you're asking for today is very unreasonable.
Okay, well, give me my baby back, and then I'll come back in a while and ask for child support.
Well, I can't give you your baby back because I never took your baby. Okay? Actually, nobody really took your baby. You lost your baby for your own negligence with your ex-boyfriend. That has nothing to do with me. Okay? Now, fill me in over here. The baby was placed with you after the boyfriend hit the baby,
Yep.
and he's been living with you ever since then.
Yep.
You've been taking care of him. You pay for everything for the child.
Everything.
What does she do?
The judge then grills the dad, Houston. He's been caring for the child the entire time, paying for everything, while Laura just visits. Financially, Laura isn't contributing much. The judge picks up on that real quick and calls out the hypocrisy. This is a major power move, showing that care isn't just about biology, but about responsibility. Who do you think is really acting in the child's best interest here?
I visit.
She visits unsupervised.
Okay, congratulations. Financially, what does she do?
Financially?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh, that's what I figured. Okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah, and I'm not about to play this game with you. You're the one that's going to pay him child support today.
What?
Yeah, you are.
He makes like 3 times as much money as I do. I have to give him my money?
It's for the child, so yes, you do. You do. But the good thing is based on your income. You'll get credit for the other child that your 8-month-old, you'll get credit for that child. But yes, you are going to pay him child support. That's just the right thing to do. It's one child between the two of you, okay? And health insurance, I'm assuming you pay it.
Yes.
How much is it?
$66 a month.
$66.
I get it
Okay.
through my employer, so.
Huh?
I get it through my employer.
Okay, gotcha.
Now the judge drops the hammer on child support. Laura has to pay Houston, even though she thought he'd owe her. Why? Because Houston earns way more, and child support laws work off income, not feelings. Laura's shocked, almost $500 a month. But the judge is firm. This is about the child's needs, not a game. This flips expectations and adds serious tension. Ever had a surprise like this with money? Tell me your story.
And how much do you make a year?
$38,000.
$38,000. So I have your gross coming out to $3,200. That brings your net to $2,648.01. Giving you credit for the other child that you have. Your child support obligation comes out to $423.69 plus the $66 you're going to reimburse him for health insurance every month. So 66 added to 463.69 is 489.69.
$489.69.
Did you need me to repeat it?
I'm asking you, $489. I have to give him almost $500 a month?
Yeah, that's how it works. Did you really think that I was gonna have him pay you child support?
No, I just wanted my baby.
Oh, okay, so your first answer was no, so then you understand exactly why you have to pay child support. Is there anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, is there?
Court wraps up with the numbers. Laura owes health insurance costs plus support payments. She's got no choice but to comply or risk legal trouble. The judge is basically saying, you want the baby? Pay up and be responsible. That's the cold reality of family law. It's not about what you want, it's about what's best for the kid and the legal framework. Would you say this is fair or too harsh?
Is there anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you all are dismissed. I just want to go over what you all witnessed in the case of Laura and Tower. In this particular case, mom wanted the child back to live with her as it was previously. Well, because mom's situation and the abusive relationship and everything like that, the child was placed with dad. So when that happened, dad is now entitled to receive the child support benefit. Mom is no longer entitled to that. And
To sum it all up, Laura wanted her baby back but lost custody years ago because of the abuse. Dad Houston has been the stable caregiver, paying for everything and raising the child. The court ruled that Laura must pay child support and can only visit unsupervised. This case reminds us that family law prioritizes child welfare over parental wishes, a tough but necessary stance. If you know someone going through something like this, drop a comment and share this video. You never know whose story might inspire others. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama breakdowns.